All right, how's it going? Welcome back to the Team O'Neill Rally School. I'm Wyatt. What we're going to talk about today is trail braking, one of the most important skills that you can have as a driver, whether you're on the street or certainly if you're looking into any kind of high performance driving out there. Trail braking is going to be your go-to maneuver most of the time. What is trail braking? The idea behind trail braking is to carry a lot of speed down a straightaway or through an easy series of corners, and when you approach a tight corner is to brake hard and aggressively in a straight line and then trail off or ease off the brakes slowly and progressively as you turn the wheel. Trail braking is really putting together two skills that are sort of prerequisite before you really get into it. You need to be able to brake hard and aggressively in a straight line in order to decelerate and slow and stop the vehicle as efficiently as possible. And you need to also be a little bit savvy to braking in corners, to be able to feel that weight transfer and get the nose down and be confident and comfortable, left foot or right foot braking in corners to get that weight transfer and to go faster around turns and control a little oversteer when that happens when you do that. So really it's hard and aggressive straight line braking, then easing off the brakes as you turn, looking through the corner, carrying a good line and all of that stuff. It's going to give you the confidence and the ability to go very, very, very fast on the easy sections and the straightaways where you make a lot of time and brake hard and late at the last possible second, look into the turn, ease off the brakes as you enter the corner slowly, and you'll go swooping right around the corner as you've always wanted to. All right, so again, the idea behind trail braking is to brake hard and then ease off gradually as you turn. When we get down to the bottom, this hairpin right's where I'm gonna trail brake. So these, I'm just braking in the corner a little, braking in the corner a little, late apexing corners, finish up the inside here, speed, 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 speed. Brake hard, ease off the brakes as I turn, then downshift, and I'm gone. Thing a lot of people get caught up on is the shifting, and it's not a big deal. What you need to worry about is getting the car slowed down, getting it turned in on a good line, and when you realize, okay, I'm gonna make it around the corner, that's when you shift. So if I come in here, I get a good line around this one, speed, 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 brake hard, ease off the brakes as I turn. Now I see the light at the end of the tunnel, that's when I'm gonna shift. Bringing the speed down, and that matches the revs just as well as bringing the RPM up. If you need to bring the RPM up because your speed's high, you maybe stay in the gear you're in. It's like you're worried about the icing when you haven't baked the cake yet. And this is another one. You can right foot brake if you know you're gonna shift. You don't need to left foot brake. If it's not in your comfort zone and it's not something you've been practicing that much and you're just happier right foot braking, I'll give it a try down here this time and you'll see. It's the same exact maneuver. You know, speed, 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 right foot brake hard, ease off the brakes as I turn, and I'm gone. So it really doesn't matter which foot you use. As long as you get the vehicle speed down, you smoothly release the brakes, you look where you want to go, you carry a good line, you're going to be all set. All right, so that's trail braking. Hard straight line braking, looking, easing off the brakes as you turn. You can do it with your left foot, you can do it with your right foot, you can do it with heel and toe shifting, you can do it on a racetrack, you can do it in the snow, and that's why we love it so much, especially when you're getting in between an all-wheel drive Subaru on gravel to a Porsche on a track to a rear-wheel drive BMW in the snow. Trail braking is going to be the same. Sure, you might brake a little earlier or a little later, or a little lighter or a little harder depending on the grip and how fast you're going, but it's a universal maneuver that's going to help you a lot. If you start racing motorcycles, if you start riding around on ATVs and UTVs and those sort of little off-road vehicles, you're not going to be doing pendulum turns. You're not going to be chucking it sideways violently and doing, you know, some of these fancier rally maneuvers that are a lot of fun, but maybe not so practical. Trail braking is the one universal maneuver that's going to take you across all different vehicles and all different surfaces to a very high level of success. So we hope you have fun with it. Find a nice, safe place to try this stuff out. Come on out and visit us here at the Team O'Neill Rally School, and we'll do this for days on end, as well as, you know, a dozen other maneuvers. But certainly if you're trying it for the first time, find a big, safe, open area, because you need to carry a lot of speed. You need to brake very hard and very late. And the first bunch of times that you try it might not go so well. So be safe, have fun, give us a visit at Team O'Neill at teamo'neill.com. And if you like these type of videos, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
You